Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of little global fallout from the weekend election results. First up today, we should note that American consumer inflation expectations for the year ahead slipped for a second consecutive month to be now 3%. That is progress from the 3.2% in May. The decline was broad-based over food, petrol, medical care and rent. 1 year ahead earnings growth is expected to match that at 3%. Although minor, the Fed will be pleased with the shift because that means the higher rises in April and May were aberrations. The expected rise in American consumer debt in May came through, although to be fair, even if it was more than expected, it was pretty modest at $11.4 billion rise, up at an annual rate of 2.7%. A little air seems to be going out of the rising housing market in Australia, as an indication from their lending data shows. Owner-occupied loan demand fell 2% in May from April to be up 12% year on year. This wasn't expected. A 2% rise was expected. Overall, we should note a broad-based retreat by many commodity prices today. Mineral commodities are being led down by rebar steel, which is down 2.8% today, to be down 5.2% for the month and down 10.7% in a year. Copper and iron ore are off too today, although not as sharply as construction steel. Nickel is down too, but not zinc. Aluminium is holding. On the food side, we're seeing a sharp fall in wheat prices, and soybean prices are staying down. We get another look at dairy prices tomorrow morning at the next GDT Pulse event. The futures markets indicate whole milk powder will hold, but there is downside risk to skim milk powder. US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.27%, a little change from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today down $33 from yesterday at $2,356 an ounce. And oil prices are down $1 at just under $82 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is down a bit more at $85.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today 20 basis points softer from yesterday at 61.3 US cents. Against the Aussie, we've slipped to 91 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're holding at 56.6 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 70.5 and down a mere 10 basis points. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.